Hi friends, I'm Guru Manivan. I'm from London Martial Arts School. Today I'm going to teach you some stability training to do kicks properly, and it will increase the stability not only to do the kicks, and also when you do fight you need the stability in a real fight or in a sparring. You need good stability to fight properly, so it will increase the stability all over. So first we are going to do 4 kicks. First we do 3 kicks. One is front kick, then side kick, and the roundhouse kick. These 3 kicks you have to do very slow, and you have to stop and come back to improve the stability. First we will do front kick. Okay, from here lift your leg and stay for a second, or for 2-3 seconds, then kick and stay for 2 or 3 seconds, then fold, then put it back. Like that you practice like 10 counts in each leg, like that. Lift and stay, kick and stay, fold and stay, put it back. Okay, like this we have to practice in left and right. I do want to show you more. Now side kick, then side kick you have to practice. When you do side kick, first lift. When you lift, you turn this leg also first. Okay, first step itself you turn this foot, then kick and stop for 3 seconds, minimum 3 seconds. You can do more. Then put it back. Okay, like that you have to do roundhouse kick also. For roundhouse kick, you lift is 1. Step 1 is this. Then for 2 you turn more. Then kick and stop. Then fold and put it back. Okay. So these 3 kicks you have to practice separately. Front kick 10 counts, then side kick 10 counts, and roundhouse kick 10 counts. Practice like that. Then we have to do all together, like front kick, then side kick, then roundhouse kick, without putting your leg down. Okay. From here, in this you can also add a hook kick. Okay, you can do 4 kicks together. Okay, when you do separately, you don't have to do hook kick, because you cannot stay there in the hook kick. Okay, you can also practice that slowly, no problem. But these 3 kicks are enough when you do separately. When you do as a combo, you do front kick, side kick, and roundhouse kick, then hook kick. I'll show you how. From here, first lift your leg, push kick, bend, then turn your other foot for second kick, side kick, kick and stop, then turn more. Okay, now roundhouse kick, kick, stop, then fold, then from here hook kick and back. Okay, we try to do as low as possible. Okay, from here 1, then turn your foot for side kick, then turn your foot more for roundhouse kick, then hook kick and put it back. So I have to practice very slowly. You try to stay as long as possible in each kick. It may be difficult in the beginning. You need practice, regular practice, to improve your stability. Before we start this training, we have to do some stretches, leg split, and side sit up, like that. All the workouts, leg workouts also we have to do before we do this, because strength is also important as flexibility. So if you have strength and flexibility, you can practice stability. So you need all 3: strength, flexibility, and stability. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye from Guru Manivan. If you like my video, like it, put like, and share it to your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.